Yeah, hi, good morning. Well, we're actually en route to Killingly now, so we thought we'd check out the northeast corner of the state to see what's going on there. But yeah, as you said, Tallinn got a decent amount of snow. We just left Stafford Springs right near Tallinn, but there was only 3.5, 4 inches in some parts. So I'm going to switch this around so you could see the roads right now. We have seen a lot of plows out now that the sun is up and more people are out on the roads. But as you can clearly see here, these roads are still not good. You know, there's more of a slushy snow out here on the roads. In Stafford Springs, we spoke to some shovelers. They said the snow is actually quite heavier than it looks, so you need to keep that in mind if you do need to shovel your car out to get to work this morning, if you are heading out and about. But of course, if you have the option to stay home, we definitely recommend doing that. So we talked to somebody from Stafford Springs earlier this morning cleaning out his car. He said he saw a few cars spinning out on the road on Main Street there. So he said it's important to go slow. Based on what he was seeing, he was able to realize how bad the roads were and, you know, is taking that into account when he starts his morning. So we're going to go to him right now.
Go slow, especially around a rotary. People think they can just whip around the rotary no matter what the weather condition is, and they go sideways up the road right in front of a police station. They don't really think twice about it. So especially when people are crossing the road in a small town like this, you never know.
So that's definitely a good reminder there, and that's exactly what you need to keep in mind if you are coming out and about this morning. Again, we're in the Willington area right now. We are heading to Killingly. These roads are actually looking a little bit better right now because the snow is coming down, you know, slower than it has been earlier this morning. So, you know, good to know what's going on the roads. So when we get to Killingly, we'll be sure to update you there as to what the northeast corner of our state got in terms of snow. I've got my ruler, so I'm ready to measure, so we'll be sure to keep you updated. But for now, Tim and Erica will send things back over to you.